Hey, it's Tyler here at Team Powersports Garner, and I wanted to take a second today to tell you about our awesome demo program. Behind me, I have our full selection of Honda and Yamaha motorcycles that you can demo before you buy. Here we have our large cruisers, the classic cool Honda Fury, the new innovative Yamaha Niken, and our standard sport motorcycles. Or maybe you'd like to try out one of the three-wheeled Rikers or Spiders. So come on down to Team Powersports and ask for me, Tyler, and I'll take you on a demo.